well. The engine was dead. I couldn't stop, so I swerved to the right. I'll never forget the sound that night, the screaming tires, the busting glass, the painful screams that I heard laugh.
Oh, where can my baby be? Who loves to go away from me? She's got a heaven, so I got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world.
When I woke up, the rain was pouring down. There were people standing all around. Something warm flowing through my eyes, but somehow I found my baby that night. I lifted her head, she looked at me and said, "Hold me darling for a little while." I held her close, I kissed her all last kiss. I found the love that I knew I'd miss, and now she's gone, even though I hold her tight. I lost my love, my life that night.
Oh, where can my baby be? Who loves to go away from me? She's got a heaven, so I got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world.
Oh, I'm so fucking serious.
It would have been better if like you laughed while you're saying like
I was trying not to laugh while I was doing the thing. I just ended up laughing at the end. I'm like, fuck it.